Former Deputy Chief Minister and the President of People's Democratic Alliance (PDA), Joykumar, has stated that appointing a local IPS officer as Director General of Police (DGP) is essential to resolve the state's ongoing crisis. He was speaking on Wednesday evening at the political gathering at Ima Kalika Laibung at Wabagai Tera Urak, where Maying Bamranjit was officially declared the PDA candidate for Wabagai Assembly constituency in the upcoming 13th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. Joykumar emphasized that a police chief with deep understanding of the region's internal and external dynamics is vital to restore order. Addressing the law and order situation in the state, the former Deputy Chief Minister warned that without decisive action, residents may soon face severe movement restrictions even within the capital. He attributed the persistence of economic blockades and counter-blockades directly to the current administration's failure to maintain a strong state police force. Rebuilding the capability of Manipur police, he stated that it is critical to enforce law and order and place a local IPS officer at the helm to aid in achieving lasting resolution. Joykumar also leveled strong criticism against local MLAs and ministers belonging to national political parties, accusing them of relying passively on central directives instead of demonstrating bold local leadership. He asserted that their failure to form a united front under a single leader has aggravated the state's plight. The former Deputy Chief Minister appealed for voters to support regional party candidates from PDA to secure a better future for upcoming generations.
Collective leadership leadership is so selfish